You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $55,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, starter type, motor generator, regenerative braking system, power brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.